Is the AI revolution just a fleeting trend or the dawn of a new era? We have imagined a world where machines learn like humans and tasks that once took hours are completed in seconds. Sounds like science fiction, right? And it's happening really now. But what does this mean for us? And will AI ever be the ultimate tool that propels humanity forward? Let's try to find out if the AI boom is a reality or just a well-marketed dream. The AI industry is witnessing a surge, with investments scaling to unprecedented heights. The buzz began with Sam Altman's venture, initially marked by billions, and now the figures are leaping towards the trillion mark. This escalation isn't just about numbers, it's a reflection of the growing confidence in AI's potential. Consider the semiconductor industry, which saw sales of approximately $520 billion in 2023. The capital expenditures, as reported by Semi, stood at about $140 billion. Now, juxtapose this with the projected investments for AI-related ventures, and one can sense the magnitude of the boom. But is the boom realistic, or merely a bubble waiting to burst? The semiconductor industry, known for its cautious approach, has veterans who have weathered cycles of growth and decline. They have seen technologies come with promises to revolutionize the world, only to witness them plateau or fade away. Yet, the AI boom seems different. It's not just about manufacturing chips, it's about creating an ecosystem encompassing real estate, power for data centers, and more. If the trillion-dollar investment is spread over 5 years, accounting for various expenses, it still marks a significant uptick in capital expenditure akin to the economic shifts witnessed during the COVID-19 pandemic. So, how does this boom compare to previous technological revolutions? Unlike the dot-com bubble or the initial smartphone frenzy, AI's growth is rooted in tangible advancements and a broader range of applications. From healthcare to finance, AI is embedding itself into the fabric of various industries, promising efficiency and innovation. While skepticism is natural, these numbers suggest that the AI boom is not just real, but also reshaping the economy. The AI industry's growth trajectory is often compared to the early days of the internet or the smartphone revolution. But what sets AI apart is the principle of scaling laws, a concept that suggests more data and computing power can lead to better AI performance. This idea has been a cornerstone in the development of AI models like GPT-3 and its successors, which have shown remarkable improvements with each iteration. But how does this translate to real-world impact? It all depends on numbers. Take the semiconductor industry's sales, for example. The investments pouring into AI ventures are poised to dwarf these figures, indicating a significant shift in the industry's focus. However, some argue that we have reached the limits of data availability, questioning the sustainability of the scaling laws. Yet, history shows us that technological barriers are not insurmountable. Just as the semiconductor industry overcame challenges with innovations like FinFET and DUV lithography, the AI industry could also find new pathways to growth. NVIDIA. This name stands as a colossus, its AI chips powering a revolution. NVIDIA's aggressive strategy of rolling out new accelerators annually, this tactic is not new. It harks back to the graphics card wars era when NVIDIA's 6-month product cycle kept them ahead. Now, they're applying the same philosophy to AI chip wars. But how does NVIDIA sustain such rapid development? They've adopted an approach: shipping before testing. By utilizing advanced emulation tools, they bypass the need for physical prototypes, a move that saves time but introduces risks. Customers may face initial software hiccups, a trade-off for staying on the cutting edge. Isn't this like a chef serving a dish straight from the pan without a taste test? The first few bites might reveal imperfections, but if the chef's reputation is solid, diners will keep coming back. NVIDIA's brand resilience allows them to weather the storm of early adopter challenges, a luxury not afforded to fledgling AI chip startups. Building a team and achieving the prowess to deliver a functional product takes years, a timeline that startups may not survive. But what about the implications of AI beyond the screen? Smash that subscribe button below and stay tuned till the end to reveal how the AI revolution is not just reshaping industries, but also redefining our very existence. Right now, giants like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Google are at the forefront, steering the direction of this technological evolution. NVIDIA is now facing a new kind of competition from these tech behemoths. The battle isn't just about who has the best technology, but also about who controls the AI stack from top to bottom. Tech giants are pouring investments into AI, driving innovation at a breakneck speed. They're not just customers for AI technology, they're becoming creators, designing custom chips to optimize their AI operations. These application-specific integrated circuits are not new. Remember the Apple eel? It ran on a custom ASIC, setting a precedent for today's tech giants to follow. Google's Tensor processing unit, now in its 5th iteration, is a prime example. It's a cornerstone of Google's AI's prowess, giving them an edge over competitors like OpenAI. Microsoft, under CEO Satya Nadella, is also making some bold moves. Most Azure AI services usage now comes from inference tasks, which are well suited to ASICs. This shift towards custom hardware is a strategic play to enhance performance and reduce costs. But why are these companies so intent on vertical integration? It's a matter of economics and control. Vertical integration allows these giants to reduce reliance on external suppliers like Nvidia, keeping more of the profit margin for themselves. It's a savvy move, but it raises questions about the future of competition in the AI space. So, will Nvidia be able to maintain its dominance as these custom chips improve? Well, it's a race against time. Nvidia must innovate relentlessly to stay ahead in performance and cost efficiency. The first Google TPU may have been basic, but it was just the beginning. As tech giants develop their AI chips, Nvidia's challenge will be to outpace them, ensuring that their GPUs remain the go-to choice for AI applications. The OpenAI text-to-video Sara model exemplifies the progress made, showcasing remarkable improvements in output quality. But does this translate to market success? Historically, technological investments have been fueled by customer demand. From military applications to smartphones, each innovation found its place in the market. Similarly, AI's future hinges on its appeal to the everyday user. The Financial Times reported that ChatGPT achieved a $2 billion run rate revenue in December 2023, signaling a willingness to pay for advanced AI services. Comparing AI's trajectory to the iPhone's meteoric rise might seem daunting, but it offers a benchmark for success. Within 2 years of its release, Apple sold 20 million iPhones, generating $13 billion in revenue. The growth was exponential, with sales doubling and then tripling in the following years. ChatGPT, despite being in its infancy, is already one of the fastest-growing consumer tech products, with a staggering output of 100 billion words daily. The initial phase for many tech products, including Facebook, involves building a user base before monetization. In the middle of these developments, Microsoft Copilot's subscription service has caught the industry's attention. Priced at $20 a month, it represents a direct monetization strategy for AI, leveraging the technology to provide tangible value to users. The success of such services will be a litmus test for AI's financial sustainability and its position in the consumer market. The AI boom is often touted as the next big revolution, akin to the industrial or digital upheaval. But is it truly a transformative wave or merely a ripple in the pond? Google's Performance Max ads, which harness AI to automate ad processes, reportedly generating billions in revenue. Isn't it fascinating how AI can turn the gears of commerce with such precision? Yet, when Apple clamped down on cookie tracking, Meta's initial forecast was a loss exceeding $10 billion. However, Meta recalibrated using AI, leveraging their conversions API to regain targeting accuracy. This resilience showcases AI's potential to adapt and thrive amidst challenges. The discourse around AI often circles back to its role as an enabler, potentially widening the wealth gap rather than creating new opportunities for prosperity. Critics like Ben Thompson suggest that AI's primary function may be to amplify existing wealth, not distribute it. So if AI's zenith is merely to bolster ad sales, does it truly herald a new era, or is it simply reinforcing the old guard? The reality is, the AI boom is not just about algorithms and data, it's about integration into our daily lives, shaping the way we interact with technology and each other. Whether it's a tool for the elite or a catalyst for widespread change, the AI boom is undeniably real, leaving an indelible mark on our society. So that's all for today. Now, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about AI, then click the video at your right.